Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on TV with keyboard and mouse. So step 1, connect your device to the TV. To do that, first, connect your laptop or PC to your TV. You can use an HDMI cable, plug it into your TV on your computer. The screen should mirror instantly or use wireless screencasting like Miracast, AirPlay, or Google Cast, depending on your device. Step 2, plug in your keyboard and mouse. Next, plug in your USB or wireless keyboard and mouse into your computer. If you're using a smart TV with USB support, some models may allow direct input, but using your PC is way more stable. Step 3. Launch Roblox. Now go to your PC, open your Roblox player or go to roblox.com in a browser, sign in, pick a game and launch it. Everything will now show up on your TV screen and you can fully control it with your keyboard and mouse. Step 4. Optimize your experience. Set your TV to game mode for lower input lag. Use Bluetooth headphones or a speaker for better sound, and sit back and enjoy Roblox like never before, full screen and smooth. And that's it guys, you are now ready to play Roblox on your TV using keyboard and mouse. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.